Hey, it's Frankie Cola. In this video, I want to talk about when a girl likes you, but she's scared of a relationship. So a girl who's important to you says she likes you, but she doesn't want to be in a relationship right now. Handle this the wrong way, and you'll push her away even more. Or you can learn to ramp up the attraction a girl already feels for you, and take your fling to the next level. Stay tuned to find out how. Now in this video, I want to cover the specific case of when the girl you're going out with doesn't want to rush things. In other words, she doesn't want to make the relationship official yet. If this is you, then you'll want to keep watching, especially if you want the certainty of knowing she's your official girlfriend, but you're afraid she's losing feelings for you, and you worry there's another guy she likes. Okay, let me show you an email I got the other day. Our good friend Steve has a girl who admits likes him, but she is scared to rush into a relationship. What should he do? So here's the question he sent me. Hi Frankie. I read all your articles on girls and have learned so much on what to do and what not to do that I'm attracting lots of women. Now I finally found one, but I need some advice on the situation below. So I have been dating this girl for approximately 2 months, and the emotional and sexual chemistry is fantastic. Finally, after dating lots of women, I found someone I really click with. However, now I'm in a very disturbing situation. The girl went distant 2 weeks ago and something felt wrong. Soon enough, she said that she felt overwhelmed by the relationship and wanted space. She said things just went too fast and I just needed a break because it's all just a little bit too much for me at the moment. Seems like she likes me but is scared of a relationship. I responded by saying that I understand where she's coming from, but that I would like to keep seeing her and that I am open and honest and would never lie to her, and that I hope to hear from her soon. Soon after that, she blocked me on Instagram and Facebook. Do you think this is a massive overreaction on her part? Do you think there's someone else? Should I just wait and see if she contacts me? Or should I contact her in about a week and talk about something completely unrelated about her? Your advice would be much appreciated because I didn't beg, plead, chase her, and I was never needy. Sometimes she would message me first and then I would reply. It was going really well. Thanks, Steve. And I replied with, "Hey Steve, that's a pretty big reaction from her, and I wouldn't contact her ever again unless she reaches out first." I think she felt the relationship was going too fast, and her gut told her to pull away and seek space. A girl's emotions can vary from time to time, so what she wants with you can change too. 1 second you're having sex and she feels great, she gets all romantic and the conversation topic is planning weekend getaways and she talks about you meeting her parents. The next second, she feels overwhelmed by all this relationship stuff and she wants freedom. See, when a woman feels a relationship is getting serious and she isn't ready for it, it scares her and it makes her pull away. A good guideline is to act like her lover, but not like her boyfriend. I sense that if you acted too much like the boyfriend, the seriousness of the relationship scared her as it was something she wasn't ready for. That's why when you first start seeing a girl, you should only focus on hanging out, having fun, and hooking up. But if you catch romantic feelings too soon, it can kill attraction because then you'll pressure her too much. Let her be the one who catches romantic feelings. Let her bring it up. Questions of exclusivity and commitment, let the woman do that. Then even when she does get romantic, be on alert as she might get a bit overwhelmed and pull away. If that happens like it did in your case, implement the following plan. The plan is to right now, she seeks space and the move is to give her that space. All in all, this could just be a big test. She's seen how you react. At least her instincts are creating this test. She might not be aware that she's doing it. Either way, the strong move now is to do nothing and wait for her to reach out again. In the meantime, go out, socialize, see other women. I know it's hard, but if you can do it, it's the best thing you can ever do in a situation like this. At the same time, it's vital that you stick with your purpose. Your purpose can be your career, your business, passions, whatever your purpose is. Refocus on your purpose so that you have an anchor of good emotions and aren't easily swayed by women's opinions of you. The 7 dangerous mistakes that stop you from getting her back. If you have a girl that is fading on you, or if your girlfriend just broke up with you, then you'll want to read my free ebook called The 7 Dangerous Mistakes That Stop You From Getting Your Ex-Girlfriend Back. It's easy to sign up to get the ebook. Just go to xbackebook.com, enter your email, and I'll email it to you. And that's all for today. This is Frankie Cola, and thanks for watching.